Good evening and thanks for joining us for News 8 Now at 6. I'm Amy DuPont.
And I'm Mike Thompson. Beginning Monday, students in the Sparta School District will be required to once again wear a mask. The school board passed that resolution last night.
It also calls for teachers and staff to wear masks beginning tomorrow. News 8 Now's Kate Overton is live in the studio to explain why the superintendent says this is the right move.
As of Tuesday, 130 students and staff were in quarantine. Another 15 had confirmed cases of the virus. Parents and community members are split over whether masks will prevent the spread of the virus. The Sparta superintendent says her goal is to keep her schools open. The Sparta superintendent, Dr. Amy Van Duren, wants students to be able to learn in person.
The district's goal is to keep our students learning in person and in school.
She says the majority of the students learn better in a classroom. Van Duren and the school board decided the best way to do that was to listen to the health experts.
The best way to do this, based on the recommendations of the CDC, DHS, and our local health agencies, is for everyone to mask while being in school and indoors.
Before the school board made their vote, parents and community members voiced their opinion.
I propose this board operate more as an individual unit and reduce the amount of influence the Monroe County Health Department has over the board and school district. Their input is extremely vital, but to the same extent, they were not elected to make the decisions on the school matters. You were.
Others asked for help as they couldn't afford for children or grandchildren to get sick.
This is a matter of life and death to a lot of people. These kids spend time with other adults, such as myself, that have health problems. It increases our chances of getting sick.
Van Duren knows that this is a divisive issue, but says the district wants what's best for students and staff.
Sparta's a great community. This is a great school district. The pains that we're going through right now are struggles that many communities across the state and across the nation are going through. We are doing our best to keep the doors open and to keep learning moving forward in person.
Last night, the school board voted 4-2 in favor of the mask requirement, which prompted chants of recall from some people in the audience. Dr. Van Duren says she also asked staff to weigh in on the issue and says a majority supported mandatory masking.
All right, thanks a lot, Kate. The mask mandate will be in effect for the duration of the COVID-19 pandemic or until the Board of Education decides it's appropriate to remove it.
Sparta superintendent told News 8 Now the Board of Education will continue to review the new policy and based on what other school districts are doing and what health experts are saying.